and all the staff. We welcome you all. First and foremost, would like to request one and all, please put your hands together to welcome our Health Minister, Vishwaji Dalani, who is in our midst this afternoon. We also have the Honorable Minister and MLA of Kalangut constituency, Michael Lobo. First, please come up on the dais. We'd like to welcome Director of Health Services, Dr. Jose Lisa. Dr. Jose Lisa. District Immunization Officer, Dr. Rajendra Bolkar. We welcome all the doctors, the staff, the nurses, the members of the village panchayat. And officially, I would like to call upon the Sarpanch of village panchayat, Kangalin, Grace Fernandez, to kindly welcome Saugust Yadav. Good afternoon, Dr. Rohit. Dr. Rohit, can we have you on top of this one, sir?
Thank you, Xavier. Good afternoon, Honorable Health Minister, our Minister for Ports, Honorable Health Minister, Dr. Vishwaji Dalani, Minister for Ports, Michael Lobo, and all the dignitaries on this. We have gone through a very sad period during this second wave of COVID, where Kangalim, Kalangut, and the neighboring villages, we had a lot of...
I'm sorry, please, but I'd like to interrupt you. To all the media and the staff that is around you, please can you push a little, keep your social distancing. Do not crowd like this, keep your social distance and please. Sorry, please.
Thanks, Xavier. And when the villages of Kangalim and Kalangut were going through that phase, we approached our minister to approach the health minister and the CM, and they immediately helped us with the vaccination drive, which we were wanted. People were a little bit scared to do it in the health center, so we shifted it to the ground, Kangalim ground, and the minister immediately said, "Y'all can take over the Kangalim Panchayat," and we approached the Lions Club of Kangalim and Lions Club of Kalangut with the other village panchayats of Kalangut and the neighboring villages, and everybody cooperated, and we could, in a very fast manner, we could get down the number of cases in our villages, and we are happy to say today Kangalim, Kalangut are doing very well, sir, with your cooperation. And again, on behalf of all our villages, we will welcome you to our village assembly. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Grace. On behalf of the village panchayat Kangali, we also acknowledge the presence of all the sarpanches and members of our neighboring villages, Kalangut, Nerul, Billian. Thank you for being here this afternoon and for the wonderful service that you are doing for humanity through this vaccination drive. Lions Club of Kalangut President and members are also with us. This has been an initiative that we started right from March. And to tell you a little about the initiative from the Lions Club, I would like to call upon our second Vice District Governor-elect, Earl Brito, PMJF Earl Brito, to say a few words.
Good morning. Warm welcome again to our Health Minister and our Minister for Ports and all the young dignitaries here. In terms of the vaccination drive, we started on the 1st of March at the call given by Dr. Roshan. It's now already 100 plus days. We've done more than 17,000 vaccinations. And it was an initiative which was started at that time by the PHC who called us in. Seeing the work that the Lions are doing, our Minister for Ports as well as our Sarpanch of Kanduli, they came forward and they asked us as the Lions Club of Kanduli to help them in the vaccination drive, which we gladly accepted, and we called in our neighboring club, Lions Club of Kalangur, to be with us as well. And this has carried on to the extent that now we have another drive in Kalangur as well, run by the Kalangur Lions. And we have many new initiatives which we have started, including drive-in for people who come here with their cars. We are even going to people's houses. Doctor tells us when there is somebody who is completely invalid, we go to their house and we do the vaccination at their house. And we must compliment the entire staff of PHC who have been taking real efforts, with of course the blessings of our health minister, in actually seeing to it that vaccination carries on. And we are very, very grateful that the PHC as well as the health ministry and our minister has given us the opportunity to serve the people in our community. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, KMGF Vice District Governor-elect Earl Brito, for the little presentation of our Lions Club activities that we do here. And as a token of our appreciation, we'd like to felicitate our dignitaries on the day. I'd like to felicitate our dignitaries with a floral bouquet and a basket of flowers. To do the honors to present to our Health Minister who is watching joining, Nurse Nikita Waz. She's been dynamic, these nurses, in the vaccination drive right from day one. Basket of food as well. Thank you. Honorable Minister of Board Finlandia and the MLA of Kalangur constituency, Michael Lobo. Nurse Principate are doing the honors. Nurse Rashwati will felicitate the Director of Health Services, Dr. Suzette Isla, with a bouquet and a basket of fruits. Nurse Supriya will present a floral tribute and a basket of fruits to the District Immunization Officer, Dr. Rajendra Bolkar. On behalf of the Lions Club, our Secretary of Lions Club Family, Fiona Lavande will present a basket of fruits to Dr. Roshan Nazareth, the Health Officer of Primary Health Center Company. We'd like to call the Sarpanch of Kalangur, Don Martins, to come forward. Kedar Naik, the Sarpanch of Reish Magur. The Sarpanch of Kiran, Sarpanch Bandokar. Sandeep Bandokar, sorry. Kedar Naik, Reish Magur Sarpanch. Sandeep Bandokar, Sarpanch of Kiran. Sarigaon Nerul, anybody? We'd like to request the members of the Panchayat kindly come forward one by one for a little floral tribute, starting with the Sarpanch of Kandoli, Blaise Fernandez, and the members. Yeah. We'd like to have the other Panchayat members as well. Besides Kandoli, Kalangur, Vere, Nerul, any of the Panch members, please come forward. Members of the Panchayat from any other villages that are present, please come forward. THC staff, please come forward. The primary health center staff, all of you, please. Nurse Rosa, will you lead the whole team? All the staff of THC Dandoli. Zilla Panchayat, Reddy, Datta, Navolkar. I'd like to request the President and members of Lions and Leo Club of Kalangut to kindly come forward for a global tribute. Members of the Lions Club of Kalangut, please come forward. In the meantime, I will also give away the cards to our beneficiaries who are still seated here. Kindly come forward and take your tablets as well. Grace De Silva, Xavier Evaristo Fernandez, Gopika Gupta, Hazel Pearl Rodriguez, Jane Ayana Rodriguez, Pepe Rodriguez, Enzo De Silva, Manoj Bhadangar. Calling the Lions and Leos of Khandali Club, kindly come forward. President of the Leo Club, Emil Later. Secretary Shanisha Fernandez. Secretary Roland Brianza. The Lions, please come forward, led by our Vice President Governor-elect Earl Brito. Never you.
Laris, look this side. Sorry. Okay. Turn this side. Look this side. Okay, piano, look this side. Okay. Sir, look this side. Rachel, look this side. Rachel. Okay. Michael, look this side. Fine. Nanny, look this side. Captain Jude, look this side. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
And finally, the president of Lions Club of Government.
Jaya, look this side. Thank you. Thank you. Good. Good one.
We'd like to call our volunteer who always helps us, Biden. Can you come forward to take a global tribute? Biden. He's our wonderful photographer. Dominic Alexander.
Yes.
This is Dominic.
Okay.
Always we have the vaccination center to help us out. You boy Guru. Rohit, our ambulance driver, wholeheartedly and selflessly working for the taking of COVID patients. Thank you, Rohit. Thank you, everyone. We have a deputy director, Fiona, Dr. Fiona Noye, and Dr. Rasham, PO2. I would now like to request Director of Health Services, Dr. Vijay Esa, to say a few words. Honorable Health Minister, Shri Vishwanath Rawalji, and our Honorable Sports Minister, Mr. Martin. All the other dignitaries of the day, my colleagues in health services, present here, Lions Club members, Sarpanches, Panches, and all other dignitaries in this August campaign. It's very happy to see such a movement happening in this village of Kandore. आम्ही आमची वॅक्सिनेशन प्रोग्राम आणि 16 तारखेर जानेवारीचे आम्ही स्टार्ट केले. We had started on 16th of Jan. And since then, we have increased our vaccination program, expanded our vaccination program in phases all over the state. So like going on, आम्ही vaccination center आम्ही केले आसा. पहिले आम्ही आमच्या फक्त आमच्या प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर, आमचे हॉस्पिटल आसा थंयच आम्ही करताले. But gradually, we have expanded our program. Gradually आम्ही वो program गावागावांनी आम्ही उरून आज म्हटल्यार 2 महिन्यात आम्ही 165 panchayats all over Goa we have covered. So it is not only in the primary health center it's happening now. It's not only happening in our hospital, but we have expanded at the grassroots level. आम्ही पुढे वचून अशें आमकां सपोर्ट घेवन NGOs जे सपोर्ट आहा, Lions Club, Rotary Club, तरेतरेचे NGOs जे आसा, आनी I am very happy to see and getting a feedback from Dr. Roshan also. Every day the Lions Club people, members are coming here, sitting here, managing the whole program for us. So I am very grateful to see that. I congratulate you and I am very thankful to you. Because without your support, तुमचा सपोर्ट नंतर आम्ही काहीच करू शकत नाही. NGOs, grassroots people, and of course, our honorable, under the guidance of our honorable health minister, and of course, our honorable sports minister in particular of the area, he has been constantly phoning me. He has been
constantly following me, and with his guidance and whatever we can, we try to do. Sir, thank you very much, both Honorable Health Minister and Honorable Sports Minister for guiding us for expand this program. पुढे हो program संपूर्ण आता आमचे vaccination आता मोठं जावपाचं आसा. Whole population will be covered. थोडा प्रमाणात जातले आणि phases आम्ही स्टार्ट करतले. पहिले आम्ही कॅटेगरीज केल्यो, पण आता आम्ही सगळे पॉप्युलेशन आमचे गोंयचे पॉप्युलेशन आम्ही कवर करतले आणि ताका आमकां तुमची मदत जाय. वॅक्सिनेशन इज द ओनली आन्सर. आम्ही फक्त हॉस्पिटलाचेर सीक पडले, हॉस्पिटलान बेड आसा, ऑक्सिजन आसा, दॅट इज नेक्स्ट. बट फर्स्ट इज प्रिव्हेंशन, and prevention करतले जाल्यार besides social distancing, besides your sanitizer, use of mask and everything, important is vaccination. There is no other thing replacement for vaccination. Vaccination is the only answer. आमची हात सोडून तुमच्याकडे विनंती करता, तुम्ही हांगा येवन वॅक्सीन घेतले. तुम्ही परत घरा वचून जे कोणे वॅक्सीन घेवंक ना, आणि आम्ही आता मोठो कार्यक्रम फुडें करतले, ह्या 2 दिसान 3 दिसान आम्ही चालू करतले. विनंती करता ताकाय तुम्ही मोबिलायज करपाचे, ताकाय हेल्प करपाचे आणि वॅक्सिनेशनाक हाडपाचे. कित्याक वॅक्सिनेशन केल्यारूच आमी ह्या कोविडाचे झूज जे आसा, फायट जी आसा ती आमी कंप्लीट करूंक शकतले. त्यामुळे सर हांव प्रत्येक लायन्स क्लबाचे आनी सरांची सगळ्यांचे विनंती देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी तशें विनंती करता ही मॅसेज तुमी फुडें व्हरून चडांत चड प्रमाणांत लोकांक हांगा वॅक्सिनेशनाक हाडटले. थँक्यू.
दिनवासा तुका डॉक्टर विजय दिसा देव बरें करून तुका मोळाची पिरियड दिवन तूं आयज हांगा येयला आमच्या मदें. आनी फुडल्या सुवातेर मागता आमच्या इश्टाक आनी MLA कळंगूटच्या बाब मायकल लोकांच्या
Good afternoon to one and all. आयच्या ह्या धाकट्याशा प्रोग्रामाक जे कांदोली PHC घडोवन हाडलो टू एप्रिशिएट तातुले फूल भेटयले सगळ्या कोरोना वॉरियर्सांक. एका हाजीर आमचे इश्ट आणि गोंय राज्याचे मंत्री बाब विश्वजीत राणे, मिनिस्टर फॉर हेल्थ, डॉक्टर जुदे, डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ, डॉक्टर बोरकार, आमचो ZP दत्तप्रसाद, कांदोलीचो PHCचो डॉक्टर रोशन नाझारेथ, सरपंच ब्लेज, शॉन मार्टिन, सरपंच कळंगूट, बांदोडकर, किल्यांचो सरपंच, आमचे बाकीचे सगळे सरपंच, सगळ्यांची नांवां घेयना, रेज मागून आसूं, दुसऱ्या गांवचे आसूं, सालिगांव, सांगोळडा, जिंगा PHC कांदोलीन केटर करता ते सगळे पंचायत मेंबर्स, एक्स सरपंचान, लायन्स क्लब ऑफ कळंगूट कांदोलीन, अल आणि तेजी आख्खी टीम, प्रेस मिडिया, आमचे एम्ब्युलन्साचे ड्रायव्हरसून बारीक सगळे PHC कांदोलीन काम करपी, including all the nurses and others who are present over here. I PHC कांदोलीन appreciate करता, स्पेशली डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ हिंगा स्पेशली येयला, मिनिस्टर येयला, एप्रिशिएट करपाक तुमकां, थँक्यू म्हणपाक तुमकां स्पेशली हिंगासर येयल्या. लास्ट 2 months जे तुम्ही काम केला, भियेन आसतना काम केला, जे योगदान तुम्ही दिला, अशें आहा की कोरोना म्हणटकच कोण एडमीट जाले, थोडे जाण हो संवसार सोडून गेले. स्टार्टिंग इनिशियली सगळे लोक भितर रावले, सगळे जाण भिवपाक लागले भायर सरपाक. त्या टायमार ही वॅक्सिनेशन सेंटर्स आमी ओपन केली. एक डायरेक्ट आमचे फुटबॉल ग्राउंडाच्या हेचेर जे तेंचो क्लब आहा तितून एक कलांगूट आनी एक हिंगा नंदन कुडचडकर सेंट जोसेफाचो डायरेक्टर ब्रादर जोसेफ आनी कांदोली पंचायत कलांगूट पंचायत आनी बाकीचे सगळे पंचायती मेळोन आमी हे वॅक्सिनेशन सेंटर स्टार्ट केली. हिंगासर हेल्प करपाक म्हाका दिसता इनिशियली लायन्स क्लबाचे सगळे मेंबर्स फुडें सरले. तितून दोग जाण जेन्ना आमकां अत्यंत गरज आसली लोकांक पावोवपाक 108 पावनासल्यो, खूब कॉल येताले लोकांक हॉस्पिटलान व्हरपाक. डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आसूं, गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आसूं, मानिपाल आसूं, विजन केअर आसूं, थिंगा व्हरपाक एम्बुलन्सी जाय पडल्यो. थिंगा बाब पेडणेकर हिंगा एक यूथ आहा तो फुडें सरलो, आपूण ड्रायव्हर जाता म्हणून. एक एम्बुलन्स तेज्या हातीन दिली. सानी आमचो पार्राचो वालावलकर तो फुडें सरलो आपल्या कडेन आपूण रेडी आहा म्हणून कोरोना पेशंट व्हरपाक. येनासतना हे असले भुरगे फुडें सरले. सगळे पंचायत मेंबरांनी जे काम केलां तेका आयज एप्रिशिएट केला. तांकां थँक्यू म्हटलां. गोंय सरकारान थँक्यू म्हटलां. गोंयकारांच्या वाटेनसून थँक्यू म्हटलां. हिंगासर एप्रिशिएट करपाक इतलें लागून आमचो हेल्थ मिनिस्टर येयला की आमच्यो केसी ज्यो हायेस्ट आसल्यो, एक टायमार अशें आसलें PHC कांदोली सेकंड हायेस्ट इन गोवा आफ्टर मारगांव, आनी त्यो केशी सारक्यो निलाचेर हाडपाक, झिरोचेर हाडपाक सगळे जाण तुमी वावरल्या. आनी हे झूज फुडें व्हरपाक वॅक्सिनेशन इज द ओनली क्युअर. म्हणजे कोणाक कोविड पासून जालें जाल्यार वॅक्सिन घेतल्यार, तेणें पयलें वॅक्सिन घेतलें जाल्यार तो बरो जातलो इमिडिएटली. कोणें सांगलां की वॅक्सिन इज द ओनली सोल्युशन. खुबशे जाणांनी घेवंक ना, खुबशे जाण रावल्या यूथ. आमचो टर्न केन्ना येतलो तो. मोठ्या प्रमाणात वॅक्सिनेशन आता स्टार्ट जावपाचें म्हणून सांगलां. नंदन कुडचडकरान आमकां येदो व्हडलो जागो दिला मेन रोडाचेर. तेकाय देव बरें करूं म्हणटा हांव की तेणें हो बरो व्हडलो जागो आमकां दिलो. थिंगा लोक सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग करून रावंक शकता. मोठ्या प्रमाणात हिंगा पावसान वॅक्सिनेशन घेवपाक जाता. टू कम बॅक ऑन ट्रॅक. खुबशे जाण म्हणटा इकॉनॉमिक एक्टिविटी केन्ना स्टार्ट जातली. इकॉनॉमिक एक्टिविटी स्टार्ट करपा खातीर वॅक्सिनेशन इज द ओनली सोल्युशन. वॅक्सिन जितके आमी कंप्लीट करतले तितले फास्ट इकॉनॉमिक एक्टिविटी गोंया स्टेटीन आमी चालू करूंक जातले. आमी पयले चिंताले की इकॉनॉमिक एक्टिविटी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट, पूण जेन्ना आमकां कळलें की कोविड इतले मोठ्या प्रमाणात वाडले, डेथ जावपाक लागली, तेन्ना लायफ इज मोर इम्पॉर्टंट. लायफा पेक्षा आनी कांय ना. आमी फाटल्या दिसांनी पासून म्हटलां की टील द केसीस कम टू नील, झिरो जायसो हो कर्फ्यू म्हणटा पळय तो वाडत वचूंक जाय. काल पासून 13 लोक भायर पडले आनी कितलेशेच केसी 500 सुमार दिसाक जायत आहा. हे आमकां कंट्रोलान हाडपाची गरज आसा. सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग बाकीचे सगळे प्रोटोकॉल्स ऑफ कोविड फॉलो करपाची गरज आसा. हेल्थ मिनिस्टर वावुरतात, तेजे वांगडा डायरेक्टर, GMCचो डीन हिंगासर बाब डॉक्टर बोरकार, डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर सगळीं वावुरतात. सगळे PHC CHCचे डॉक्टर्स वावुरतात. म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी पब्लिकेचो एक व्हडलो हात आहा. एक केस जे केसी इतले वाडल्या ते कमी जावपाक तो हात म्हणटा पळय तो दे हॅव टू help the state government, they have to help the doctors that they will abide by the COVID rules, protocols, not shaking hands, always wearing a mask. Crowdan वचून भितर रावन मास्क खाला काडून हात दिवन लागीं वचून लोकां कडेन म्हाका दिसता रावंक पावना. हे आनी 4-5 months फुडले आमकां काळजी घेवपाची गरज ना चड वयना आनी सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणपाक हिंगा आपयल्ले आहा स्पेशली ऑल द PHC चे स्टाफ 108 स्टाफ बरी गजाल म्हणल्यार 17 ते 17,500 लोकांक ह्या सेंटरान कालांगूटच्या सेंटरान सालिगांवच्या सेंटरान आमी वॅक्सिनेशन दिल्लें आहा 17,000 इज क्वायट अ बिग नंबर आनीक जावपाची गरज आहा नाजाल्यार फुडल्या 8-10 दिसांक आनीक 10,000 सुमार जावपाक जाय त्या खातीर प्रयत्न सगळ्या पंचायत मेंबरांनी सरपंचांनी ZP मेंबर्स NGOs लायन्स क्लब सगळ्यांनी प्रयत्न करून आमच्या लोकांक ह्या सेंटरांनी हाडून वॅक्सिनेट करपाची गरज आसा सगळ्यांक आनी एकदां देव बरें करूं
देव बरें करूं बाब मायकल लोबो आनी आमच्या मध्ये आमचो सांगोळाचो सरपंच बाबू उल्हास आयिल्लो आसा मागता ताका फुडें येवन फुलांचो फुलांची भेट दिवची बाबू उल्हास आता hand over to you, sir. Now I'd like to request our Health Minister, Dr. Wiswat Utrani, to say a few words.
उपस्थित माझे मित्र त्यांना व्हेरी गुड फ्रेंड मायक्रो honorable minister and a very dynamic personality and director health services, member Dr. Rajendra Gupta, deputy director Dr. Shiona, all the sarpanches of Pilan, Nerur, Deshmagam, Saligaon, Sakolda, Kanduli, Raspura, Nagwa, your Kanduli area and other punch members, which Michael mentioned, everybody has been cooperating, and also the president of the Lions Club and Rotarian from Kanduli and the neighboring areas. I think I got more motivated after coming to the center, seeing the enthusiasm on the people and the type of activities that Michael has created. आम्ही ते सांगतो प्रयत्न करतो की आम्ही मुद्दाम मायकल बरोबर हांगा आम्ही उपस्थिती राहिली आमचे सगळे हेल्थ वर्कर असू फ्रंटलाईन वर्कर असू आमचे डॉक्टर्स मेंबर्स ऑफ द रोटरी क्लब मेंबर्स ऑफ लायन्स क्लब आमच्या सगळ्या फेलिसिटेट करतो बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ देम are putting their lives, all of you who are also volunteering, are putting your own lives at risk and trying to serve the society and in helping in the mission of the state government to carry out this mission of vaccination, which is the only solution to keep us safe, to reduce the mortality, and to address the issues in front of us, there is the COVID pandemic-19. Just like Michael said, so many volunteers who have come forward to drive ambulances, and also mentioned that more than 17,000 people and all have been vaccinated in this center and the neighboring centers. With Michael's dynamism and the support that all of you given, I am confident that we will achieve this target of 100% vaccination in this constituency. And we as the Ministry of Health and the state government will support in whatever way we can to facilitate the vaccination program and take vaccination to the doorstep of the people. I forgot to mention something very important here. In Dr. Roshan Nazir, under whose supervision is this place, the positivity, initially it was one of the hot spots and everywhere it was being highlighted that Kandulit is a very on the red alert kind of situation. As a result of which today I am told that the positivity rate has come down to less than 2% and that is a credit to him and his whole team in this area. And having gone out of his way to see how best along with you he is able to serve the society to bring this and under the guidance of Sri Michael Lobo. There are very few people you see sometimes who go one step ahead in order to serve the society. That's why we thought, both of us thought that today it was just a random thought both of us were discussing that we must come forward and we must felicitate all our doctors and all of you who have been a part of this vaccination program. COVID pandemic-19 is something we don't know about, but the only safety mechanism for us today is to vaccinate ourselves. Just like Michael said, if economic activity in the state or the country has to come on track, then we need 100% vaccination to take place. We have seen a lot of places abroad and many other places which are bouncing back because of the vaccination that they are taking, so that the economic activity and people are able to come back on track. I don't want to say much, but I would like to thank all of you and Dr. Nazir for you and your hard work and your team has been doing an excellent job in Kalandur. And my friend Michael, I always watch him on YouTube and then I get ideas what I need to be doing in my constituency. So basically I try to see because somebody is always in the people, somebody always serves the society, and all of you, members of the Lions Club, all of you, Earl is a friend of mine, I know Earl for the last 25 years. So basically, all of us, I'm meeting him after so long, but all of us have to contribute in whatever way we can. And we are here to serve you and try to facilitate how best we can serve society and also create and make this vaccination program a 100% success. And I'm confident that with my colleague and a good friend of mine, Sri Michael Lobo, who is always at the service of the people, we will be able to achieve this in the shortest period of time. I won't be surprised if Kalandur becomes one of the first constituencies and this area becomes the first constituency to vaccinate the largest number of people. We have only one thing to say to you is thank you. We all thank you from the bottom of our heart for having volunteers come forward in the time of pandemic-19 when people were scared to volunteer. It was scared, sometimes people didn't want to work in the hospitals. People used to give our offer letters back to us and say that we don't want to work in the hospitals. And as a result of it, dealing with COVID pandemic-19 has been a challenge and always will be a challenge because it's something that we don't know about. It keeps mutating, keeps changing, dynamics of it keeps changing. But we assure you that whatever support you require, we will support Michael in his endeavor to achieve this 100% vaccination. I am confident and because I have seen his personality is a different type of personality. And honestly, coming here, I decided now to engage all my boys in my constituency to see that they also come forward, encourage them so that they are able to work at the grassroots to be able to serve our society, our people in our interior parts of the city and other areas. Thank you once again, and I would like to thank Michael for giving me an opportunity to come with him to his constituency to thank all of you. The whole objective was to thank you, and with folded hands we thank you for having volunteered and being in the service of the people. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Honorable Health Minister Vishwajit Tripathi. It is indeed an honor for us to have you this afternoon in our center. And on behalf of the village panchayat of Khandali, Kalangur and the neighboring village panchayat and the Lions Club, we'd like to say a big thank you for giving your precious time to us. And the village panchayat would like to felicitate our primary health center health officer, Dr. Roshan Nazareth. So may I request the Sarpanches to kindly come forward here. Please, John.
हटियो
Can I have the Sarpanches of the other villages, please? A big round of applause for Dr. Roshan Nazareth for the wonderful service he has been doing at the health center. We also like to felicitate the Lions Clubs of Kalangur and Khandali. Calling the President, Rajavali Ilyas Rajavali, along with your team, to kindly come forward. Presented by the village panchayat of Khandali and Kalangur. I would like to call my whole team now to the Lions Club of Khandali. Please come forward. The Leos as well. Lions Club of Khandali and Leo Club, please come forward quickly.
Quickly, quickly. Video on the picture. Everybody, come
On behalf of the Lions Club of Family and Colombo, we'd like to thank the village Panchayat Sarpanch Place, the village Panchayat Colombo John and all the Sarpanches, our lead felicity pillars, and the vote of thanks I would like to call upon the help of Mr. Dr. Roshan Naidu.
I'd like to thank especially Honorable Health Minister Indrajit Rani for taking the time out and getting this idea of facilitating us. The presence has really motivated our staff who has taken a lot of this kind of stuff to really carry them forward. Thanks to all our staff, all my staff of PVC family. We have really worked hard throughout this pandemic. Day, night, throughout they have been working to make this program a success of vaccination as well. I thank our MLA, Michael Lobo. He is not our MLA, he is our team leader. And under him we have our 8 Sarpanches. That's our team, which we formed on May 22nd, 2020. Just when the pandemic, before the lockdown was announced by our Honorable Prime Minister. The team still continues till today to guide all of us and take decisions for all our 8 villages. I would like to thank our director, Dr. Zulay Nisar, who has been our guiding force. Anything we keep on asking him for queries. Dr. Bolter, who has been a good friend of mine and guiding the immunization program. Dr. Sienna Moon, our Deputy Director of Public Health, is with us at every time. And each one of you who are gathered here, especially the press and media and all those who are here. Thank you and God bless you.